In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Clipchamp to edit your media files with ease and efficiency. Whether you're new to video editing or looking to sharpen your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you become familiar with the basics of cutting and splitting video clips to create a polished final product. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Clipchamp. If you aren't familiar, Clipchamp is a user-friendly, cloud-based video editing platform that's perfect for creating stunning videos without needing any special software installed on your computer. Once you're on Clipchamp's homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy and quick to set one up. Having an account allows you to save your work and access it from anywhere. Next, navigate to your media library. Your media library is where all your uploaded video clips, images, and audio files reside, ready for editing. Once you're there, select the video clip you'd like to work on. This will load your video into the editing panel where the real magic happens. Here you can see your video timeline, which is essentially the sequence of clips that make up your entire project. Now let's dive into the editing process. Suppose there's a particular part of your video that you'd like to modify, whether it's cutting out an awkward pause or splitting the clip to add transitions. Simply click on the specific segment of the video that you want to edit. With Clipchamp's intuitive interface, this task is as simple as selecting the portion on the timeline that you wish to split or cut. Once you have selected the section you'd like to edit, look for the Split button. Clicking this will divide your video at the selected point, effectively creating two separate clips from one. If there's a piece of the clip you wish to remove entirely, you can select that portion and delete it with just a click. This feature allows you to redefine your narrative seamlessly, ensuring your video maintains the intended pace and flow. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully edited your video by splitting and cutting parts of your clip, all within the Clipchamp editor. You can now proceed to add other elements like text, animations, or music to further enhance your video before finalizing it for export. In summary, knowing how to split and cut clips in Clipchamp opens up a world of possibilities for video editing creativity. With practice, you'll find these features to be powerful tools in crafting engaging and professional quality videos. Keep experimenting with these tools to find what works best for you, and soon you'll be producing videos with confidence and flair. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!